One of the most difficult things with hooping is hooping correctly in the hoop where the design is straight across and straight up and down. The BERNINA E16 can easily fix our mistakes in hooping. So if you'll notice, I have hooped on the machine already. I have a hoop where I have marked the horizontal and vertical axis as we normally would, but I have also made 2 additional lines on this project that are equidistant from the center. One on the right and then one on the left. These are the marks that we are going to use as reference points so that we can rotate the design to fit the line that we have drawn already. The first thing we need to do is to move the laser light so that it's positioned over this left mark. So we will do that by using the hoop and the arrow keys, and I will push this, and you can do this either one dot at a time, or you can hold it down and it will move faster. And we want to be as precise as we can here so that that laser light is directly at the intersection of those 2 lines. So now we have set the laser light at that point. We'll confirm that mark by touching laser left. Then we will move to the right side by using the hoop and the arrow key to the right. And we'll move to that point. Until it sits directly over that mark. And then we hit laser left again. This may be confusing because it seems as if we would be pushing laser right, but this is the secret code for getting this in the correct position. And then finally we will touch the laser and the center key. So now what we have done with that series of commands is to align the design. We have rotated the design actually to match the line that's marked on the hoop, and the center point will now be the center point marked here because that's the center between those 2 lines. If you were to look at the interface screen, you would notice that the design is rotated on the screen itself. Now let's start the machine and stitch the design. Start it. And now you can see that the design has stitched out perfectly. It now matches the line that we marked through the center of the design. You can also use these same features to align your design to a stripe on a fabric.
BERNINA, made to create.